We'll be introducing Mr. Vipin right away. So an engineer in robotics and automation, having 3 years of experience in algorithmic trading, handled more than 250 plus clients in algorithmic trading. His core strengths are forming strategies, backtesting strategies, and automating via algorithm, via automated trading. We give you a warm welcome to the keynote speaker, Mr. Vipin Krishna. Over to you, sir.
Thanks, Gio. Thanks for the introduction. Good evening, all, and welcome to this seminar. I hope Mr. Our Suresh has given you great insights about the tradings which are to be followed, and he has reduced my job actually, because I thought that I would have to speak about all those things, and that's always a benefit of speaking first because he has already put out most of the ideas which I had been able to tell you. So what you can expect from my presentation is you have heard about Mr. Suresh talking about a lot of things like risk reward ratio and looking up to the chart, super trend, this and everything. And what if you have a slave who will do all this for you without any intervention of yours? So that is all about I'm going to give you. This is a solution which you can use to follow whatever Mr. Suresh has told, and you have all the tools with you for doing it, and that is nothing but it's algo trading. Algo trading is nothing but it's just a slave of you who does your work by obeying to all your commands that you put to work. So let me go directly into the topic is algo trading, and at the end of the seminar we will be showing some of the strategies which Goyad already has in algo trading, which you can directly subscribe from them and you can use it. And we will cover about the algo trading basics and how to do algo trading and what are the things that will be taken care while doing algo trading. So right now we'll go into the session. So what do you think, is algo trading the future? Anyone is thinking that algo trading is future can type yes in the chat box, or no if you are not accepting this.
Vipin, thanks a lot. Like, it was a clear, crispy description from your end. Hope everyone liked it. And to wrap up with Vipin, whatever he says, like, we have seen people who worked under Suresh, like, and people wearing horse blinkers. Now, what Vipin says that now we can be in Pegasus. So that's what my understanding on this. And human intervention is minimum, and at times he says it will be 0. And instructions is preloaded. It is high speed, accuracy, and safety. Mainly, no space for human errors, and this saves our time too. So, and finally, it is no emotional side, like no emotional goof-offs are there. Vipin, I'm correct. This is what your key points, right?
Yes, you are correct. This is nothing to do with any of the indicators. We totally work with the trend of the market, and we have back tested the data, and we don't depend upon any of the indicators, because if you take any of the indicators, they are an repainting, and the indicators tells you what has happened already, and there is no indicator that can tell what will happen in the future or what is happening in the future. If you suppose if you are taking an indicator like a moving average, the moving average is nothing but an average. If you put a moving average of 10, it is an average of the last 10 trades that have already crossed. So it is telling the history, and you cannot predict with the history. So we never depend upon any indicator. We are not depending upon any particular indicator. We are totally depending upon the data. We do artificial intelligence on all the data that we have collected over the period of years, and we have clearly shown you what the data tells and how the data is performed and in what time it is performing. That basically we take into the emotions which all the traders have. We take the account of that and we trade against that emotions. Basically what Suresh tells, no, we should trade on the opposite direction of what others does. The same thing we are doing it here. We don't trust any indicators here. We don't We don't have any indicators here. And the maximum downside you are asking, and we have maximum downside is 3,500 rupees per day is the maximum downside of a strategy. More than that, it will not go. That is the maximum downside of the strategy. Yes, all our strategies are back tested for 4 years because the options market started the 4 years before. The Bank Nifty started 4 years before. We do all our strategies only on Bank Nifty and Nifty. We do not trade on individual stocks because we believe that people cannot manipulate Bank Nifty or Nifty. People can manipulate stocks, brokers can manipulate stocks, but they cannot manipulate indices. Indices cannot be manipulated. So we believe in indices, and we are investing only on Bank Nifty and Nifty. And the Bank Nifty, the option trading started 4 years back, and from the day one of the option trading, we are having the data for analysis, and we have backtested data for 4 years. So algo trading can work in anything. See, if you're having a strategy like suppose super trend or whatever strategy you name, we can do it in algo trading. But we do, as I told you earlier, we do not believe on these indicators, and we can build any strategies based upon indicators. It can work in stocks, options, currencies, commodities, what else, anything, currencies, cryptocurrencies also it can work. Any market it can work. Algo can work in any market. No, the algo, see, Milan, to answer to you, you see, I put in the first slide itself, the 50% of the trading that is done in NSE is through algos. Who's doing all these algos? These algo trades are done by fund managers only. The fund managers only does all these algos. They give the motivation, they give the data for the algo trading. Then the algo trading trades, and sometimes if the strategy is not working at all, then the fund managers need to step in. That's what then they have to wear their socks and begin to work to how to improve their strategy. It's not the end of the fund manager, and the fund managers are only doing the algos. They are only giving the ideas to the programmers for doing these algos.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bipin.